What's going on, y'all? Thanks for tuning into the channel. It's a beautiful, very hot Saturday morning down here in Alabama. It's I don't know how hot it is, but it's hot. It's probably about 8:30, 9 o'clock, something like that. We finna get out of here and go pick up a goat. I'm gonna try to get that old green car this morning. Let me look. It's already 90 degrees in the shop, so it's hot. Gonna get hotter. Got some junk piled up in here. Got some stuff going on, ordering some material, and gonna build a turbo kit and all that mess. But I'll turn this thing around, show y'all what we got. Old Slow right there, buddy Todd Chevelle, Dad's old S10. Got the old Dodge loaded down. Show y'all how we do this kind of thing. It ain't, obviously we ain't gonna put no gas in it, ain't got no motor in it. Got some front runners. Got a pile of lug nuts in the back seat of the truck. Got some rear tires. We're gonna come along and on to the trailer because I still ain't got the winch mounted. So, you know, future project, I need to get that done. Guys, I'm gonna get back with y'all when we get there. We finna get on the road. See y'all shortly. We made it. There's the good goat. Old Krusty up in here. Couple more seats, there's some more parts, but unfortunately, she's gonna sit here another day or two. Old slotted mags there. But since we're here, I figured I'd talk about it a little bit. I've talked about this car having high options, but this is the original, a copy of the original window sticker. That joker sold for $4,796.75. But there's the options. Car's got quite a bit of it. Cruise control, got a safety track, which is pretty cool. Power deck lid. Anyway, there it is. The car's sold in Flint, Michigan. Was assembled in Baltimore. But there you go, guys. There's the old barn find goat. We're gonna start on this with the 68, the green car. It's gonna be the easiest it rolls. Hoping to get this car running. Not in the barn because there's a pile of wasp and whatnot in here. But we finna go back here and get started. I just figured I'd share that with y'all, show you the options. It's pretty cool.
I was born ready.
Born ready. Here we go.
Here we go.
Down here in the woods, there's that orange machine.
What's left of it?
Yeah. Here's the old 68. This one we getting today. Looks good with that old wheel on there.
That's my wheel though.
Yeah, that is Dad's wheel. And those are the other wheels from the S10, but tires are tall. I've been running them on the rear because I tend to ruin a set of rear tires in about 3 months. But there it is in all its glory. So we got it jacked up, got 3 of the wheels and tires swapped out. That's a Camaro factory spare for a 4th gen F body. We finna do this last one. I'm gonna let Dad come around here and hold it, and I'm gonna explain how we're doing this. We done soaked everything in PB Blaster, including the brake drums, so hopefully it'll roll pretty easy. But I'm gonna hand this over to him. We should be good. But what we did,
I'm into high-tech stuff.
yeah. Am I in view?
Yeah,
You got me?
I got you.
What we did, we soaked this down, and then kind of like when you tap something or you chase threads, I turn them a little bit and then turn them back. Turn them a little bit, turn them back. And hopefully, so far we ain't broke no studs off. Don't mean I ain't fitting to do it since we're live action, right?
Right.
But we're gonna try anyway. See that one come off, no problems, and it's hot. See if this one will come off.
7 more to go.
7. This one ain't hardly on. All right. Well, there they are. There's, oh. Look at that. Silver brake drums make it go faster. And that one's missing, so I ain't got to oil it. I am gonna close these brakes down. We don't need those where we're going. Oh, this whole wheel up there.
That's a tar.
Tar.
Yeah,
Oh,
not a tire.
tar.
A tar.
Oh, no, tar. Put these high quality factory original numbers matching lug nuts back on it.
I would.
I don't want anybody to get mad at me in the GTO world. You know, I'm in a group on Facebook because Dad's got a Studebaker. And Studebaker people are real particular. Not really that Dad is, but that other Studebaker people are. But there's a group on there called the Studebaker Butchers Club. And I'm in it because that's what we're doing, butchering a Studebaker. And about half the people that watched my last video, which I appreciate y'all watching them, you know, and the channel's grown quite a bit. We like 260 something subscribers now, which is awesome. When I posted that barn find video, it was like I had like 180, so I appreciate all the new subscribers. But I mean, we're just hot rodders, man. I'm not a nut and bolt concourse restoration guy. If I want to put a LS motor in a GTO, that's what I'm gonna do.
Or a Hemi and a Studebaker.
Yeah, or a Hemi and a Studebaker. We just do stuff because we enjoy it. You know, I'm not gonna sell that car. It's up there in that barn. It ain't got a numbers matching motor in it anyway. So, got a 69 Grand Prix 400 in it. But you know, we just have a good time. That's all we do. That's all it's about.
Out here in the woods with the gnats and the mosquitoes.
Yep.
Having a good time.
Saving the world one rusty piece of junk at a time.
You want it back?
Yeah, I'm gonna take it back.
Okay.
But we're gonna get back with y'all. It's kind of hard to hold the camera and drive and drag stuff around, but we'll get back with you on it. All right, here we go, boys and girls.
Oh, car's moving. Bad steering, got the window down, doors open. Nice and easy. Old doggy low. Just keep the 90 brake.
What you think? How was your first drive?
Drove like a Pontiac.
Pontiac. Pretty cool. I think that car's been there like 15 or 25 years or something like that. Ain't no telling. I like it. Got a 1975 Florida tag, so I'd say it's been off the road for quite a while.
I'd say so.
Back glass is good.
Ventilated. It's got a special vent right here.
Oh, that's for the rear air conditioning.
It is.
But heaven forbid we put a LS motor in it. Y'all check this out. This thing's got a cool old tack in it. Oh. Come on, door. Well, I ain't able to do it. Anyway. That's cool. Yeah, we'll get it loaded up. Been sitting there a long time. Sunk down in the dirt. We're getting there. A little bit at a time. Really need to put the winch on our trailer, but maybe we'll do that this evening.
Got a winch, never use it.
That's right.
Still in the box.
Still in the box. There's the winch. But we're getting there. There it is. All loaded up. Old 68 goat. Man, I love them marker lights. That's so much cooler than a 69 marker light. And these cars had vent windows, and I love vent windows. So anyway, there it is, loaded up. See if we can get a shot with both of them together. In the same frame. Look at our old goats. Y'all a little walk around. I think I'm gonna go pressure wash it before we go unload it. Got a couple of more seats. There you go. Well, this might be the end of the video. It might not. Probably not though, because I think I'm gonna pressure wash it, clean it up a little bit, and then get a little more, get back shop and unload it. So I'm gonna hop in the truck, get some air conditioning, because let me tell y'all, it's hot. Be back with you in shortly. Old raggedy cars always look better wet, don't they? As hot as it is, it's drying pretty quick. Seats cleaned up a little bit, but there it is. Got a little rot. Rockers are pretty good though. Was a vinyl top car for sure. But there it is. Gave her a little bath. Just a little old bath. Let you guys check it out. We finna get out of here, go get some lunch, go unload this car. Appreciate y'all tuning into the channel. Appreciate all my new subscribers. It's been, pretty exciting. I enjoy doing it. So, see y'all next time.